On completion of this media presentation, you will know when synchronous rolling occurs and how to prevent it. Vessel steams into sea with the waves abeam or nearly abeam of the vessel. Wind increases the rising wave height and the vessel starts rolling slightly. As the waves increase further and rolling increases, the wave period reduces. With increasing beam seas, the wave period now matches the vessel's natural roll period. There is resonance. The vessel rolls heavily, 25 to 30 degrees. When subsystems of waves encounter with shorter rolls in between, the vessel changes the wave period. The vessel changes her heading, thereby reaching the waves closer to her bow. The wave period changes and no longer resonates with the vessel's natural roll period. The large resonant roll decays, leaving behind the vessel's natural motion. Unable to withstand heavy seas on the bow, the vessel zigzags, not allowing the wave and roll periods to resonate. If possible, the vessel's natural roll period may be changed by either taking on or reducing ballast, thereby affecting change in her GM.